guys, welcome back to the Max and Me channel. For this knife review, I got the DeWalt electrician's knife. It's not really an electrician's knife, it's a knife with a wire stripper on the back. But I've reviewed several of these types of knives and from different makers, and I was walking through Home Depot today picking up a new shop vac for my ice machine work, and I happened to see this DeWalt. I'm a fan of DeWalt tools. If you've seen my channel before, if you've been here before, you'll probably watched my DeWalt Tough Box video. I bought Tough Boxes and the wheeler to go with them, the cart to go with them. That video I will leave at the end of this one, and a link down the bottom for just in the description down the bottom. I will leave a link for those videos also. So right to it, let's get to it. Let's open this up and check it out. Supposedly it got some G10 and it's high carbon steel, H8CR13 MOV. And let's get my my trusty, use the other electrician's knife to open it. This is the SOG electrician's knife. You can see that this one is probably the best electrician's knife that I've come across so far. Even better than the Klein Tool ones, in my opinion. So let's open this up. Never cut towards yourself. Anybody who messes with knives will probably know that. So, it's got some weight to it. Aluminum handle, G10 on the grip, but I noticed the grip, the G10 is only on one side. But my first impressions of the grip, it's pretty good. Feels pretty solid. There's no wiggle on the locking system. Snaps open right away. It's not really stiff at all. Not too bad so far. I like the black, blade. Dual thumb studs. A little bit of jimping on the back. I'd say it's about 3 millimeters thick. Regular clip point blade. Serrated. Pretty sharp right off the bat, and I would say it's at least 3.5 inches, maybe even 4 on the blade. And like I said, it does have some weight to it. I'll get the scale out and weigh it just to show you guys. It does have a nice pocket clip. Very strong. Super strong, actually. That feels like it will not come out of your pocket at all. Let me try that out. As you guys can see, it is tipped down, right hand carry with the pocket clip. And the pocket clip is not adjustable. It's only on that one side. Knife makers gotta start getting on the ball and start making these things swappable. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Clip, the pocket clip is very solid. You could probably hang upside down. It's not gonna come out. It does have a loop, a lanyard loop on the end, and that's where the wire stripper is also. You can see right there it has 2 strippers on the end. We're gonna go and see how well they work with some of this here speaker wire. So I guess you're supposed to pull like so. And it does strip the wire, actually. It went right through it. I'll try again on the smaller one. Actually works very well. I'll try a thicker wire. This is my usual. This is the like a power cord line that you would use for a lamp, a TV, or a domestic refrigerator. Now see, this is too much for that. It's definitely too big for something like that. So it's only made for smaller gauge wire. I would say maybe 12 and 14 or 18. Yeah, it's 12 and 14. So the wiring, it's only able to strip two sizes, 12 and 14 gauge, but solid construction, snaps right open. It's pretty sharp right out of the box. Let me grab a slice of paper. See if it passes a paper test. Oh yeah, definitely. So the CR 13 MOV steel is pretty good for stainless. And like I said, it got some weight to it. Let me get my scale. Alright, I got my scale out. I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna say maybe 7-8 ounces. It's got some weight. It's you throw this at somebody, you're gonna feel it. Aluminum construction, that's why. The lockup on it is really solid. There's no wobble. The liner locking gauge is solid, very solidly. I do not know if it has a bead on the blade. Yes, it does. The liner has a bead on this side. You can see it right in there. See that? That little tiny ball? That's your lockup. Excuse me if I don't have the correct terminology. I've been kind of out of the knife review stuff for a little while. I know that's the way my Max. Oh, actually, that's Bailey barking. Sorry about the woofing. But yeah, back at it. Let's weigh it up and see how much it is. Like I said, I'm gonna guess 7, 8 ounces, maybe 6, 7 ounces. So 5.30 ounces. So it does have some weight. It's a little under than what I thought. But I haven't used it yet. Obviously, as you can see, it was an unboxing. Let's get some more detail for you. So your blade length, just under, it's about 3.5 inches. Millimeter wise, like I said, yeah, it's about 3 millimeters thick. Totally open, 8 inches. And your handle, just to show that again, it's 5. Width, I'm gonna say under a half, just over a quarter. Actually, just over a, we got just over a half. But all in all, not bad for the money. I bought this $19 on sale, I believe, at Home Depot. So it's a solid knife, a good beater knife for working. I'd like to see names like DeWalt and Klein Tools do a little better and catch up to the SOG. The SOG, in my opinion, so far has been awesome. The only thing bad that happened is the electrician's tower pocket clip failed, as you can see. But a far better electrician's knife, in my opinion. The best out there, in my experience, but I'm a rookie. So, I think that's it for this one, guys. I want to say thanks. And if you enjoyed it, give me a like. You want to see more videos, subscribe. Hit the little bell down below. That'll give you a notification. And I want to say thanks again, everyone. Have a great and happy fall. Peace out, YouTube.